Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 23 minutes past 7 and today is 22nd of September 2021. I'm dead tired, but I thought still I must make a video because we've started with the tradition and let's continue with the tradition and let's really, do our level best to understand what lies ahead tomorrow. So hope you have watched my this video and I have explained very clearly yesterday Techem Star Mindtree, Coforge, right? And Canfin Homes. These are my stocks. And I hope you all watched what kind of movement came today. So guys, I really want that you if you have watched my yesterday's video or you have seen today's movement in these stocks or you've made money along with stockpro, please give a thumbs up because I'm going to share my again a very well defined research with you all guys. But before that I want to read out some comments. So there is first comment here from Kartik Mehta, and he says that ma'am please don't get offended, just wanted to ask, are these stocks recommendation the paid ones? अगर paid ones होते तो मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी डालती आपके लिए फ्री, मतलब open में थोड़ी डालती. These are all my research and I feel very privileged when I share it with people, like aam janta. ऐसा I don't really feel कि it should be available to every single person, right? Every person should be able to. But आप लोग इतना ज़्यादा stock market में आप लोगों को loss हो चुका है with different recommendation that you don't trust. I want people to start trusting my trades, start trusting my research. And then he's right, because I have even following your Telegram group and YouTube videos. But in this chaotic world, it's really hard and rare to follow and really trust the most genuine stock research analysts like you because of the environment with other paid analysts has created around. Please suggest, see, आप अपना डिसीजन लीजिए ना. You don't have to hear anybody. You be on. See, सबसे पहले देखो, मैं आप लोगों को कुछ रूल्स देती हूँ. अगर आप किसी भी टेलीग्राम चैनल को फॉलो करते हो तो अपने रूल्स बना लो. विद नो नेम और नो फेस चैनल्स बिल्कुल अवॉइड करो. लाइक देयर हैज टू बी अ फेस ऑफ द चैनल. आप देखोगे हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे यू विल फाइंड मी, यू विल फाइंड पंकज, यू विल फाइंड रोशन, यू विल फाइंड योगेश, you will find Parag. All these are well defined mentors, right? They will be here with you, right? And similarly, there are, I'm CB registered, and you will find many Telegram channels which do not have name and which do not have any face. Then you should follow them in the all other social media, because Twitter is one place people will just eat up if they write wrong research. They will post. People will not let them live. So this is the place. This is the second place where you can follow people, right? On Twitter. Third thing you can do is then watch their videos, right? And see what kind of knowledge do they have. Are they just trying to attract the people, entice the people, or they are really doing real research, right? Then Raj Sonawane says that, respected madam, I have did so many classes on stock market. I paid heavily for the courses, but I swear, ma'am, whatever content you are giving, just a free of cost, that is precious. You are giving the complete package in priceless manner. Thank you. So see, when I started my YouTube channel, just one single objective and one single focus. I simply wanted to educate people in stock market. And that is what I have done for the last 4 years. You will see me. I mean, in between, I was not very active on YouTube, but now I'm making every day one video, right? So, again, if you quickly write comments in 1 hour's time, I will try to answer your comments, right? And definitely here. So then Brijesh Shah says, great analysis, ma'am. I have been following your channel since long and your calls on scripts are great. Even your study on script is fantastic. Your yesterday's call on Godrej Properties was awesome and outstanding. It worked today as well. It really moved today again, right? जहाँ से मैंने buy दिया था, वहाँ से 350 points ऊपर है. Outstanding, though I didn't play it, but it had a watch on it. God bless you. Thank you so much. Right. So anyway, I think itne comments काफी हैं. So let's quickly come back to the option chain of Nifty. and see what is happening in Nifty, and then we'll from there quickly discuss the stocks, because I don't want to make a long video today. I'm literally tired. So this is Nifty's option chain, right? If you notice here, there has been huge call writing here, right, today. And so is on the put side, right? But call writing is strong. So there's a strong resistance at 17,600, right? But, and there's a strong support also at this place. So I'm not expecting Nifty will be Nifty is going to remain range bound until there is some option chain adjustment takes place, right? That's what my perception is, and we're going to play in that range bound market. We need to find very stock specific move, right? So मैंने आप लोगों के लिए stocks निकाले हैं, और सबसे पहला मेरा स्टॉक है इंडिया मार्ट, राइट? इंडिया मार्ट लुक्स गुड टू मी फॉर अ बाय अबव today's high, राइट? अबव दिस प्लेस 8784 और 85 के ऊपर, 8800 के ऊपर यू हैव अ बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई रादर क्लियर इट अप. यहाँ पे आपकी बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है 8800 के ऊपर, एंड एक टारगेट जो हमको इसमें आता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है, दैट इज 9270 और 9200. 300 पॉइंट्स, 400 पॉइंट्स का मूव इस जगह से हमको आराम से दिख सकता है, मतलब अबाउट 5% का मूव. The second stock that I have on my radar is Motherson Sumi, right? So Motherson Sumi has given a very aggressive move today. और कल जो हमारी इसमें बाइंग आएगी, ओ ये मदरसन मुथूट, सॉरी नॉट मदरसन सुमी, मुथूट में जो कल हमारी एक एंट्री आएगी वो आएगी 1565 के ऊपर. आज जो इसकी क्लोजिंग है वो 1543 पे है. अगर ये 1565 के ऊपर जाता है, यू हैव अ क्लियर एंट्री इनटू द स्टॉक, राइट? The next stock that I have on my radar is UBL, United Breweries, right? Look at the kind of breakout it has given today. Our buying opportunity is going to come above 1650. Third stock that I have on my radar is Motherson Sumi, right? For the last today and yesterday, the stock has shown pretty good recovery, and 226 के ऊपर हमारी इसमें बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी. तो एक बहुत एक डिफरेंट तरीके का स्टॉक मेरे रडार पे है. दिस इज HCL टेक, राइट? आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ ह्यूज ब्रेकआउट, बट ऑन सर्टन पैरामीटर्स, सर्टन कंडीशंस. आई कांट डिस्कस द कंडीशंस हियर, बट वो कंडीशंस अगर कल मिली तो इसमें एक जबरदस्त ब्लास्ट होने की पॉसिबिलिटी है, मैसिव ब्लास्ट होने की पॉसिबिलिटी है. बट आई डोंट नो कि वो कंडीशंस मीट होंगी कि नहीं होंगी, मुझे वो आइडिया नहीं है. अगर वो कल लाइव मार्केट में मुझे दिखा तो मैं आप लोगों को चैनल पे, अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे, ये मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल है, इस पे मैं आप लोगों को अलर्ट करूंगी, राइट? ओके. सो एंड एक की बहुत अच्छा स्टॉक है रिलायंस. नॉर्मली रिलायंस को मैं अवॉइड करती हूँ because of a lot of volatility in the stock and a lot of activity, like people are pretty much interested in this stock all the time, so I usually avoid it. But above 2450 is where I will take an entry in Reliance. It's looking really good to me at this point of time. Another stock that looks good to me is IndusInd Bank. बट किस जगह के ऊपर इसमें हमारी एंट्री आएगी? 1160 के ऊपर हमारी एंट्री आएगी. एंड सेकेंड लास्ट स्टॉक है हमारा इप्का लेबोरेटरी. इप्का लेबोरेटरी जो कल मैंने स्टार जैसे आपको बताया था, उसी तरह का स्टॉक है ये. 2460 के ऊपर हमारे पास एक बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी. और लास्ट स्टॉक जो मैं आपको देना चाहती हूँ, जो आप अपने रडार पे रख सकते हैं, वो है MCX. MCX जो है 1645 के ऊपर आपको बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी इस पे मिलेगी, राइट? सो ये मेरी वॉच लिस्ट है. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट bring all these green stocks at one place so that you can keep a clear record of these stocks. India Mart, Muthoot Finance, United Breweries, Motherson Sumi, HCL Tech, Reliance, IndusInd Bank, IPCA Laboratories, and the last one is MCX, right? So ये stocks आपको अपने radar पे रखने हैं. Once again, I'm just going to highlight them so that you all can make a note of it. These are my, sorry. Let me just remove it. These are all my stocks, right, for tomorrow. IndiaMart, Muthoot Finance, UBL, Motherson Sumi, HCL Tech, Reliance, IndusInd, 𝐼𝐴 Laboratories, and MCX. If you like my video, if you feel that my research is authentic, please hit the like button and share it. Share it with the people who have been losing in the market. Please, this is the support I want from you people, right? Please popularize the channel. Do you think I deserve only these many comments or these many views? Do you honestly think I deserve only these comments, only these reviews? 2000, not even 2000. Don't you think more people should be benefited from my research? If you believe, if you join for the common cause, please share my channel with others, and please, let's care for each other, and let's be part of financial literacy, financial liberty. And I need your support, I need your help. All the best, guys. Take care and see you in the live market. Once again, I'll show you my research. IndiaMart, Muthoot, UBL, Motherson Sumi, HCL Tech, Reliance, IndusInd Bank, 𝐼𝐴 Laboratory and MCX. दो और रडार अपने स्टॉक अपने रडार पे रखना, MGL and IGL, राइट? अभी बिल्कुल एकदम डाउन एंड आउट है, बिल्कुल जमीन पे बेचारे गिरे हुए हैं, बट अगर इनमें एक रिवर्सल आता है, ये आपको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी बढ़िया देंगे. और जाने से पहले आज के मेरे ट्रेड्स में आपको दिखा देती हूँ. I have made pretty good money, right? So all the best, and let me just refresh it so that अगर किसी को कोई doubt हो तो वो that should be sorted out. All the best, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow in the live market. So we conduct live trading almost quite a lot of days in the live market. So please join here. Come to the channel and join us in the live trading. Live trading today in the morning, I gave early morning Balakrishna Industries and Apollo Tires. Look at it. I also made 2.37 and 1.7 lakhs in those two trades. So these are my trades for today. All the best, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow in the live market. Bye bye.